So this is a quick little tutorial. On the right hand side is my original Toyota Prius key, on the left hand side is the new replacement shell. So first things first, just going to remove the key. The reason why I'm changing it is you can see the key fob part that holds onto your key ring is knackered. So you just push that little clip to the right and then that releases the key. As you can see, the new one's just got a blank key, so you can just take that to a key cutter and get a new one cut up. Just thought I'd try this one in here, and if that was okay, I wouldn't need to cut a new key. I could just use that one.
You don't want to come out.
So first things first, I'm going to open up the new one here. So just pushing that to the right, I can slide the back of the key off. Do the same on this one. And again, because this Toyota one hasn't been open for a while, I'm pulling that little clip to the right and I'm just using a screwdriver just to loosen it off. And now it's loose. I can get that off. Now there should be 4 screws in there. This one's missing its 4 screws, but it's just a clip. Just pull that off and that reveals your battery. So the other thing as well I want to transfer over, there's a little O-ring which just stops moisture getting in as well, which isn't on the new one. So open the new one just using a screwdriver just to crack it open. Depends on how it gets delivered. My one come assembled like this, but some of them come in 2 halves already. So if I just push out the battery part there. First thing, just put my little O-ring in there. And then put my battery in. Then this cover. Just put that on. And again, that little, I don't know if you see there's a little notch there towards the top. That's the way it normally comes, with that little notch towards the top. And it comes with 4 screws as well, so I'm just going to put these 4 screws in here just to hold this in place. But obviously the outer cover will hold that in anyway. As you can see on the original key, that's what it was doing. Just tighten them up. And then you see there's 2 channels there. So that slides in like that, and that's the same on the original key as well. So that's the back half of it done. The original one, same sort of thing, you just crack it open with a screwdriver. So once this is cracked open, you can see we've got the immobiliser chip here and then the printed circuit board here. Now a lot of tutorials for some reason don't show this immobiliser chip getting moved over. Without it, your car will not start. It's as simple as that. So that does need to be moved over to your new case and just put in there. It's a little bit fiddly, and again I suggest strongly doing this over a table because you don't want to lose that chip. It can be very expensive to get another one reprogrammed up. And this one again, just need to push the printed circuit board out. Normally just use the buttons on the front, that helps pry it away from the back there. And then this only goes around one way in here. And then you can just push that in place on your new key fob. And then the 2 parts just clip together. Just like that. And now for now, because I want to hang this on my key ring, I'm going to use the blank key and put that in there. And that's it all done. Just going to quickly test the buttons, make sure the LEDs lighten up when I press them. So that's all good. So with that, I will see you on the next one.